Okay, folks, let's start doing this, okay? So we are progressing with our self-portrait activity, the assignment actually. And in our researches, we found another style that we like other than Warhol, specifically this one, for example. See, I love what this person has, a beautiful silhouette and a background. And the one that tops this one is by far this one over here. Okay, so what we're doing is we're kind of looking at things and trying to say, with the skills we've learned within the Adobe Photoshop, what can we do to recreate this? So obviously this person has an interest in a city, could be New York, could be Chicago, could be London, I have no idea. It's a city in the background, and I think multi-layers, and there's the silhouette of the body. Okay, since it's a self-portrait, we're on our way there. So there's various layers effects we can use. Also masking, which you kind of know about, but not 100%, okay? So there's another one here, I think by one of the same artists. That's really something, right? That's absolutely beautiful. All right, so I'm going to try to mimic this style for you, and this is applicable to everybody who's preparing a portfolio, doing a self-portrait t-shirt, the whole 9 yards. Okay, so what I've done here is I basically added a bunch of pictures. This is me pretending that I'm going to London, England, right? So there's a picture here, another picture there, third one, and a fourth one. So a bunch of pics like that. So really, and what I've done is additionally, the goal of this effect is ultimately to get here, which we did this in class. I gave you guys the files. You guys had fun with this. So let's just kind of, hopefully this is recording and this will be saved. Okay, so we're just basically, what I've done is I've written here what the effect is that I'm trying to do. And then remember afterwards, I'm also reducing the opacity after the fact. So first off, these have links. So I'm just going to get rid of all the links by just going to, where's my rasterize? There it is, right here. Okay, so they're just broken now. No links to external files. So right here is one. So if I go like this to go lighter color, right here, all right, there's that. So if it was 100%, this would look like this, right? So if I reduce, the opacity we'll do after, okay? So that's one. This one is overlay, right? So why is this working already? I don't get it. Okay, we'll see. Let's turn this off for now. Okay, this is on, and I'll go for the overlay here. So I'll just go down here to overlay. Bingo, there's overlay. And I'm just making stuff up here, okay? So I'm just having fun like that, and I'll go to vivid light. This one will go to vivid light. It'll be something like that, and I can decide is it strong or not and reduce the amount. Okay, so there. That looks okay. And the bottom one I'll leave alone. This should be just normal. Okay, so I have some kind of a collage. Okay, so the same thing as these people. Obviously, they are professionals. We're not. We're just studying a system, a process, right? This one, see? Bunch of layering effects, okay? So we did that. The next thing I want to do is combine these layers, okay? So the term here is, first I'm going to click once here, hold shift, left click, boom, all four. Or you can go like this, shift, left click, all four. Okay, so if I went too fast, one, shift, left click, shift, left click. In the senior years, you just go one, left click, shift, boom, done, okay? Shift, shift, there it is. Okay, so here we want to merge layers, right? So there's merge layers, flatten image. You want to avoid that right now until you're ready to print. Flatten means we get rid of all our layers. So that's the last step. So I'm just going to go merge layers, okay? As opposed, you can also do merge visible, but remember, I turned off my face underneath, okay? So these are the four. You have two options, either merge layers or merge visible, okay? They both do the same thing. All right, so now we're going to go back to what I wrote behind me here. So I want this to be inside my face, underneath, so like a silhouette in here, okay? All right, so we right click, and we will go to creating a mask. Okay, what kind of mask? You clip, boom, clipping mask, right? Here is white. I'm going to maybe change the color. I'm going to press I for the eyedropper. I may just go some kind of a blue here. Whoa, that did not work. Why? Okay, let me try that again. I don't know why things aren't working anymore. I don't know. What? Hello? Okay, blue. Why don't I just do this? Okay, something's not working on my laptop. I might have to reboot. We'll just go in here. I have a blue color. I'm going to drop the paint bucket. Boom. Done. Okay, so there's this. I think it's too bright for me. I'm going to go somewhere more pastelish. There. Okay, so I've got mine. I don't like it, but it's something. Okay, so now ultimately this is done. So we have this style that other people were using. So again, it's just as without a lot of thinking. I just put a bunch of images on top of each other. I don't like these kind of lines here. It shows that I wasn't properly thinking about things, okay? I just randomly, just quickly, I'm deconstructing what other people have done. All right? So 1, 2, very similar. This is right here. This is another one using the Warhol technique, which I recorded there, and this is another version of that by adding the city, bunch of architectural buildings in threshold mode. So you hear threshold. So there's so many things you guys can do, okay? So this will be nice on my shirt. I'll say London is calling. That's me right here. I don't like the fact that it's only a couple colors, but c'est la vie. All right, so this is the technique for this lesson. Hopefully this is recorded well. The other, I don't have my headphones on, but I'll get headphones next time. All right, Balian out. That's it from me. Bye-bye.